Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate text in Canva. To animate text in Canva, launch open the Canva application on your mobile device. Now, open up an existing project or create a new one. After opening up or creating a new project, go to the bottom of the screen and then, first, add a text layer. Tap the text button at the bottom and then click on one of the default text styles from adding a heading, subheading, or a little bit of body text option. Choose any one and then enter the text that you want to animate. After you type in a text, make sure to select the text layer within the design and then adjust its size by dragging the edges and placing it on a desired area within the frame. After you type down the text, go to the bottom of the screen while selecting the text layer and tap on Animate. Browse through the available text animation effects such as shift, merge, block, burst, bounce, etc. Tap on each animation to preview how it looks. After you are done choosing one of the animations, apply the effect by tapping on the little cross icon. Now play your video and there you have successfully animated the text. You can now export and save your design like you normally do. That is how you can easily animate text in Canva. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.